Hi everyone, welcome back to GridPro. In today's video, we'll walk through how a new user can get started with GridPro, from registering on the website to launching the software and beginning the CFD mesh generation process. We'll follow a step-by-step approach so you can easily follow along and start using GridPro with ease. So, let's get started with the demonstration. First, open any web browser on your computer and type gridpro.com in the address bar. This will take you to the homepage of the GridPro website. If you are a new user, you will need to create an account by registering on the website before you can proceed further. Click on the Register button and fill in the required details in the registration form. As a new user, you will need to enter your first name, last name, email ID, and the password that you would like to set for your GridPro website account. Please note that users are required to register using their official company or academic email ID. Software licenses are typically not issued for personal email addresses and the invalid data fields. Once all the details are filled in, click on the Create Account button to create your new account. A verification email will then be sent to your registered email address. Open the email and verify your account by clicking the verification link. After verification, you will be redirected to the GridPro sign-in page. Here, enter the password you created earlier to log in to the GridPro website. Dashboard can be seen after logging into website. If needed, you can update or modify your personal information later using the Edit Profile option available in the My Profile section. From the Overview page, users can also request access to various resources such as downloads, learning materials, and cloud storage. Let's begin by requesting access to download the software. Go to the Download section and fill in the required information. This includes details such as your company or organization, country, contact number, operating system, and the meshing tool you are currently using. Additionally, briefly explaining the purpose for which you plan to use GridPro helps the GridPro team understand your requirements and provide the best possible support. Once the form is completed, click on Submit Request. This will send your download request to the GridPro team. You can click on Download Requests to check the current status of your request. After the GridPro team reviews and approves the request, the status will change from pending to granted, and the download links will become available for the supported operating systems. You can then download the package corresponding to your required operating system and proceed with the installation. For Windows users, installation is simple. Just double-click the executable file and follow the installation steps. For Mac or Linux users, open a terminal in the folder where the package was downloaded. Then, run the command chmod a+x on the .run file, followed by executing the file using and / before the file name. For more detailed instructions, you can refer to the GridPro installation guide available in the Manuals and Guides section on the website. Once the installation is complete, open a terminal and run the lcst command. This command will display the machine information required to generate your license file. Copy this information and go to the My License section on the GridPro website. It will ask to complete the profile if anything is pending. First, select the product, either GridPro or GridPro Express. Next, select the license type. Academic users should choose academic, while commercial users requesting evaluation can select Commercial Trial. Paste the machine information that you copied earlier from the terminal after running the LCST command. Then fill in the remaining required details. Academic users will also need to upload a student verification form, along with their student ID for verification. Once the license request is submitted, the GridPro team will review and approve the request. After approval, the user will receive an email containing a link to download the license file, along with instructions on how to copy the license file into the GridPro installation folder. This process is typically completed within 24 hours. Once the license file is downloaded, rename it to gridpro.lice and copy it into the gridpro/lc_mngr folder inside the installation directory. After this step is completed, you should be able to start using the GridPro software. We hope this video helped clarify the process of getting started with GridPro. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the GridPro support team. Thank you for watching.